Need assistance with an SMA inverter or SMA software? In this tutorial, you learn how to create a case through the SMA Online Service Center, check case status, review warranty details, request replacements, and decide when to submit a new request. Head to the OSC at my.sma-service.com. Log in with your SMA ID and click Case Support. Create a new case here, and view past cases and updates here. Let's create a case. Choose the option that best matches your request. Now let's enter product information. Enter the serial number of the affected SMA product and click Next. For inverter troubleshooting, enter the event or error code shown on the inverter display or in Sunny Portal when prompted. If no event or error code appears, select I do not have an event or error code and want to skip this step, then click Next. Enter the PV plant name exactly as it appears in Sunny Portal. If the site is not monitored in Sunny Portal, enter a clear customer identifier such as the customer name, site address, or work order number. In the description field, provide complete details, including observed symptoms, inverter LED status, event or error codes, troubleshooting already performed, and AC and DC voltage readings or other measurements with the measurement location. Review your entries, then click Next to submit the case. The case is created. The case number appears on screen and is sent to you by email. For sites not monitored in Sunny Portal, attach event and data logs to support faster resolution. If the SMA product shows physical damage, include clear photos of the affected area. Now let's understand case statuses. Each case displays a status that shows where it is in the support process. Let's click on a case to review additional features. Here you can see the warranty status. Warranty status is provided for reference, and all warranty and replacement decisions are subject to review by SMA Service. To request a replacement for your equipment, click Next to begin. Enter your information and confirm your contact email address. Review the details carefully, then click Next again to submit your request. Follow the on-screen instructions and wait for further communication from our service team. Within the case, you can post updates, upload additional documents, logs, or photos. Simply click Share an update and include the information you'd like to share with our service team. If a case has been closed for 30 days or more but you're experiencing the same issue, please create a new case. System conditions, firmware versions, site configuration, or operating parameters may have changed since the original submission. Cases over 180 days old cannot be reopened and require a new submission. We hope this resource was useful. Thanks for watching.